Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essential items so the process moves fast. Install the Google Home app and sign in. Once done, enable Voice Match so Google recognizes you. Make sure your phone, speaker, and any smart devices share the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth when required. Next, open the device card in the app and tap Setup. Follow on screen pairing to add the speaker. These first actions create the secure link you'll build on in the next steps. Once your devices are linked, you'll create routines that behave like Alexa skills. Open Routines, tap New Routine, add a spoken starter phrase or a time trigger, and then add sequential actions. Include device controls, broadcast messages, or play playlists. You can also call webhooks via IFTTT for third-party features. Make sure to assign each action to the correct speaker or room group so commands execute where you expect. Test each step and refine timing, because chaining actions is how you emulate Alexa's multi-action skills. To finish, test every routine aloud and watch how devices respond. Tweak triggers, delays, and device targets until responses are reliable. For features Google lacks, integrate IFTTT or call your own API endpoints to replicate Alexa skills. That's the only way to reach parity for many third-party functions. Finally, if a routine fails, reboot the speaker and router, re-authenticate your Google account and home, and confirm network and device permissions. One quick rebind usually fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.